Students, next we will balance the redox reaction which is taking place in the basic medium, right? So first of all, we are going to write down the skeletal equation. It is CrOH whole thrice plus IO3 negative gives I negative plus CrO4 2 negative. So let's first write down the oxidation state or oxidation number. So it is chromium here, this is 3 here. So the oxidation number of chromium, student, will be plus 3. Oxygen is minus 2 and that of hydrogen will be plus 1. Similarly, student, you will write down the oxidation number here also. So that of oxygen will be minus 2. This is minus 6. It will go that side. It will become plus 5. I think everyone can find out the oxidation number, right? This is I negative, that is minus 1 oxidation state. Here it is CrO4 2 negative. If you find for chromium, student, so it will come how much? It will come plus 6. So these are the oxidation number of the atoms here. So oxidation number, that of chromium is plus 3, right? Oxygen minus 2, hydrogen plus 1, iodine it is plus 5, oxygen it is minus 2, iodide minus 1, and chromium it is plus 6, and oxygen it is minus 2. Right, now student, the second step is to find out where the oxidation and reduction are taking place. Right, so we will again write down the reaction. Students, don't make it clumsy. It's the step-by-step reactions and you will get the marks, right? And for the steps also, don't jump the reactions, okay? So here, this is very important step because of the oxidation number. If you will calculate it wrong, it will get wrong ahead also, right? So it is chromium, you can say it's plus 3 here, getting plus 6, that means plus 3 jump is there, plus 3, sorry, jump down, getting down, right? So it's plus 3, then we are getting plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, getting up, jumping up, okay? So it is plus 3, so here we will mention it in this way. Oxidation number increased by 3 per atom. Don't forget to write the per atom here, right? Similarly, student, here it is plus 5 iodine, it is getting minus 1, that means it has jumped down. So it is plus 5, so it is plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0 and minus 1. That means oxidation number has decreased by 6 per atom. Now, third step, student, will be to balance the increase and decrease in the oxidation number. So it is here 3, here it is 6. So how we can balance, student, it? We can balance it by multiplying it with 2. So we will get on both sides 6. So it will become, here you can see it is getting 6. So we have multiplied by 2. So we have to multiply this. We have multiplied on the oxidation side, increase, so it is taking for chromium, so we have multiplied here 2. Then it is IO3 negative gives I negative plus CrO4 2 negative. So we have to balance elements other than the hydrogen and oxygen. So here it is 2 chromium, so get it here also 2 and others are same. Now the fourth step. Now you will see, student, here that the oxygen is not balanced here. It is oxygen 3 to 6, 6 plus 3 9, and here it is how much? 2 4s are 8, right? And that means oxygen, one oxygen difference, but here we can't add here water, though we can add is H2O, but for that we are introducing the hydrogen, and then we since the reaction is taking place in basic medium, so we have a tool of OH negative, right? So how we can balance it? Either by we are going to use OH negative and water. So students, here it was 9, here it was 8, so we will add OH negative. Generally we add OH negative on the right hand side, so we are putting here CrO4 2 negative plus I negative gives 2CrOH whole thrice plus IO3 negative. Or one more thing what you can do, you can just see the charges also. Here it is -1 charge here. It's here -1, right? And overall, right? And here it is how much? 2 2s are 4, 4, and this is how much? -1. It is getting -5. So you have added here, students, OH negative here. Right now what you will do, since we have added OH negative here, we have to add, student, here water, right? To the side opposite where you have added hydroxyl ion, you will add water on the other side, right? And for every addition of one water molecule, you have to add one OH negative on the other side. This was the first OH negative which we have added to balance the oxygen atom, and then we added water accordingly. And the number of water what you will add here, we have to balance it by addition of the hydroxyl ion on the other side. Now just see that how many hydrogens are we getting here. It is 3 and 2, 6, 7, 8. But here we have only how much? 2 OH negative. Right, so that means we have to get the OH negative added over there. And second thing, of the oxygen, it is how much? 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 9. It is how much here? 4 to 8, 8 here, then 9 here, and 10 here. So 10 oxygen we are getting added there. That 10 oxygen, here is only single water. So we have to balance here, student, OH negative. Right, so it will become how much then, students? We have to get the OH negative added. So 2, 4, 8. Hydrogen, it was how much? As I said earlier, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. But here we are having only 2 OH negative. So how we can get it 8? So if we get it, how much? 8 OH negative, right? So if just we will write here. So I am writing here 2 CrOH whole thrice plus IO3 negative gives I negative. This was the basic equation. CrO4 2 negative, 2 CrO2 negative. Here we have added H2O. So here we have to get it. How much difference we were getting of here? It was 3 to 6, 7, 8. 8, right? So here I am just getting it 8 OH negative, student, right? This we are getting as 8 OH negative. Now finally, student, you are going to check the oxygen. 2, 4, 8, and here it is how much getting, students? It is getting 8 here. So it is 8 plus 8, 16. So here we have 3, 3 to 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and plus 1. We are getting how much? 10. Students, so here if we do in this way, so it will get 8 OH negative, and this reaction is not going to get balanced in this way, right? So here just slight correction is there. This I negative, CrO2 negative plus OH negative, right? So here I'm just rubbing it up. So from here, just we will see here, it is how much, students? Oxygen, to balance it, we have added here OH negative, right? So oxygen was getting 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So here 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So oxygen, student, is getting balanced. But what about the hydrogen then? Hydrogen is here how much? 3 2s are 6. But here how much of hydrogen is there? Only 1. So to get it balanced, student, what we have to add? We have to add here H2O. Right, so I'm just adding here 5 water molecule, right, so that the reaction gets balanced. And if I've added 5 water molecule here, so I have to add, student, here 5 OH negative, right? Again I'm repeating, first of all, to balance the oxygen atom, we have to add OH negative, right? And then we will balance the water molecule. It is not always so that we have to add it on the opposite end. Sometimes we have to get it added on the same side also, right? And then we will add how much water molecule we have added, just equal number we have to add on the other side, OH negative. So it is how much now? You can see it is 3 to 6, 6 plus 5, it is 11. Here we have 5 2 plus 10 and 1 11, right? You can do it in this way also, right? So at the end, this is going to be the final answer. That is this equation, that is fifth equation, this is the balanced equation. Right, student? And oxygen will be also balanced here. 326 plus 39. Right here, so 42. Here you just see 326 plus 39, 9 plus 5, 14. 428, 9, and this 5, it is getting 14. Right? So this is the balanced equation.